Today I'm replacing our old broken mower with this 13-inch electric lawnmower from Ryobi. It uses the same batteries as my other Ryobi tools, so I had to try it out. I ordered one from Home Depot, and it was here before I knew it. Inside the box, you have your instructions and warranty, an 18-volt 1+ battery, a charger, wing nuts and bolts, and then your mower. Setup takes little time. Unfold the handle, and then bolt them together using the wing nuts. Then after that's secure, you can put on your grass collection bag, or the mulcher. But I'm going to use the mulcher first, so I put that in, adjusted the height, and then charged up my new battery. Then I took my spare battery that was already charged and put it into the mower. Then you can pull the tabs on the handle and push the button to start it. It fires up quickly and keeps running until you let go of the handle, or use it for about a half an hour. But if you have backup batteries, you can just keep on mowing. And the mulcher does a great job too, even on the thicker grass and weeds. I've been using it to mow the lawn for the past couple months, and it makes the lawn look pretty good. I tidy up a bit with my Ryobi weed whacker, but this lets me get really close to the edge and does clean cuts. I even used it in my garden, and even though the grass and weeds were long, I was able to mow a good chunk before the bag filled up. Pretty cool. I even left it out in the rain accidentally, but that flip out cover helps keep the battery safe from dirt, debris, and even light rain. My only complaint is that it's definitely a bit small. It works fine for our small backyard, but if I had to mow a bigger area, I'd like to use a different mower. That and the grips on the handle are already starting to tear, but that's fine. I can easily fix that. But my favorite thing about this mower is that I don't need to use gas anymore. I can even charge up the batteries using my solar generator, so it won't cost us anything extra on our electricity. So if you have a small yard and are in need of a nice mower and wanting to try an electric lawnmower too, this one from Ryobi might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go mow my lawn again. See ya.